Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 3 best mini metal lathe machines on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 3. XMSJ Mini Metal Lathe Machine. The XMSJ Mini Metal Lathe Machine is a high-quality, reliable lathe machine suitable for small workshops and hobbyists with limited space. Its compact, horizontal design ensures a stable cutting experience and is brand new, ensuring a pristine product. Originating from the US, the machine reflects high standards of craftsmanship and quality. It operates in a normal, manual mode, providing users with a hands-on experience and greater control over their projects. The machine is chemical-free, ensuring a safer working environment and reducing health risks associated with chemical exposure. The machine's robust construction and versatile design make it suitable for a wide range of applications, including small metal parts, intricate components, and detailed custom projects. The XMSJ Mini Metal Lathe Machine lives up to its reputation for precision engineering and durability. Number 2. LYBGACNC 210E Mini Metal Lathe Machine. The LYBGACNC 210E Mini Metal Lathe Machine is a versatile and reliable tool for hobbyists and professional machinists. It offers a wide range of spindle speeds, ensuring precise control over machining operations. The lathe is built with all-metal gears, a metal shell, and a metal hand wheel, ensuring durability and long-term performance. The machine is known for its high precision, producing standard qualified works consistently. Its powerful 1100W motor provides ample power for tackling a wide range of materials and applications. The machine's 400mm working distance allows for larger projects. It features an automatic tool system and an infinitely variable professional tool post, enhancing machining capabilities. Telescopic sets with a scale ensure accurate measurements and maintains precision. The LYBGACNC 210E is wear-resistant and durable, providing reliable performance over time. The package includes an 8x16 variable speed lathe, a tool storage box, a 3-jaw chuck with 3 reverse cams, 8 change metal gears, a user manual, a dead center, accessories, CNC cutters, a rotating center, a drilling chuck, and a quick change tool post. Number 1. VEVOR Mini Metal Lathe Machine. The VEVOR Mini Metal Lathe Machine is a compact and versatile tool designed for both hobbyists and professionals. It offers a horizontal design, variable speed control, a swing overbed and cross slide, a 3-jaw chuck, a hole-through spindle, a thread cutting range, a longitudinal feed range, and CNC capability. The lathe supports imperial threads from 8 to 44 TPI, allowing for precise threading for various applications. It also has a longitudinal feed range from 0.5 to 3 mm, allowing for fine adjustments and smooth operation across various workpieces. The machine is certified with C standards, ensuring it meets safety and quality regulations. The compact and new condition of the lathe makes it ideal for workshops with limited space, delivering professional-grade performance. The VEVOR Mini Lathe is a valuable addition to any workshop, offering precision and versatility in a compact package. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.